Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, this reading is going to be for my Aquarius. Okay, this is for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. You can check your placements. If you're a cross watcher, you can switch the energies and reverse the roles as it suits you. Okay, so before I proceed further, I would want to tell you that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. Okay, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Alright, so let's see. This is your monthly reading. This is for the month of April, Aquarius. Okay, so let's see what do we get for you. So some messages from Aquarius, please. Let's see what messages do we have from Aquarius. So any message from Aquarius, please. The first is 9 of Wands. Yeah, you're very guarded, Aquarius. Okay, I see you very guarded and you're kind of protecting yourself. Some of you are in this place where you're protecting yourself from something. I don't know what it is. Okay, and you've turned your back towards someone. Now, maybe there's somebody who is eating your head or they are bothering you in some way. You may have turned your back. Okay, and some of you are like, you're complaining to God. You know what, God, you didn't do this. God, you just didn't do what I asked you for. You could be, in short, you could be blaming God for something. I don't know. Okay, it's like you're looking forward for a miracle. Like you feel that you've been waiting since long, and I see you in a place where you are angry on somebody, especially God. Okay, and you are trying to turn your back towards somebody. That's the energy here. Okay, and you could be complaining. You are like, I don't know what is this about, let me go further. But then I do see you in a place where you are like, you know what, you didn't do this for me. You know what, you didn't do this for me. It's like a child cribbing in front of Mother Nature or in front of God. So this is that energy. Okay, some of you, I feel that, let's see, why do I have this 9 of Wands? Okay, Knight of Cups. Yeah, so there is somebody in your life, Aquarius, who is trying to get close to you, and you are not very happy with this person. Okay, you are blocking somebody in your life. Some of you, I see that you have recently got an offer. Now this could be a job offer or a business offer, or somebody wants to do some sort of partnership with you, but then you don't like them, or you just don't get that vibe. Okay, you don't vibe well with them, which is why you are trying to ignore them. Okay, I do see that energy where you may have recently got a proposal, a job offer, a business offer, a partnership offer, could be anything, and you're not happy with what they are offering you, and you're like, no, you know, I don't like this. I'm not happy with what you're offering. I need more. Or maybe I'm not in a mood to change my job, or not in a this to, you know, explore. So that energy. Now this could be a love offer. Some of you may have somebody who is trying to hit on you, and you are like, no, I'm not ready. I don't like you. I don't vibe with you. Okay, so that could also be the energy that I see here. Yeah, what do I have? The Lovers in reverse. Yeah, some of you definitely, okay, I've got this also, 8 of Cups. Okay, I didn't see this card before. So 8 of Cups and the Lovers in reverse. Yeah, this certainly says that some of you, I think you have recently walked away from somebody. Okay, it's like you were not happy in a connection, or could be a job that you were not happy, and you're blocking somebody for sure. Okay, I see you in a place where you're blocking somebody. Okay, not letting that person come in your vicinity. Maybe that person is trying hard to get your attention, or that person is trying hard to you know, come close to you, but then you're like, no. You know, maybe you have blocked somebody recently, Aquarius. Okay, that could also be the thing. Maybe you feel that this is not the one, this job is not the one, this partnership is not right for me. I see you walking away from somebody. Okay, somebody you're not happy with, you don't trust this person. That is something. Now because it's a general energy, I'm picking up the general energy. For some of you this could be in your personal life, for the others of you This could be career. You're walking away from something that is not giving you what you really want. Okay, so maybe somebody is offering you a lot, but then you feel, no, this proposal is not fine, I want something else. Or maybe you don't trust them. Okay, or you're waiting for the right opportunity. It's like you could be waiting for, maybe somebody is offering you something, but that is not what you want something else. Okay, so you could be asking God for some right opportunity. Okay, and some of you are not just dropping one opportunity, you could be dropping two opportunity together. Okay, so maybe you've got two proposals, two job offers, two people coming towards you, but you are like, no, I'm not ready, I did not like the offer, something like this. Okay, now let's see what are your current energies in love, Aquarius. Let's see what's happening with you. What's your energy in love? Two of Wands. Yeah, some of you don't know. You know what, some of you, I definitely see you have two people in your life, you don't know who to choose. Number two is that if you're already in connection with this person, okay, maybe you're already dating this person, but you're not sure whether is this the one for you. So something is bothering you, Aquarius. Okay, let's see what is bothering you. I'll clarify this Two of Wands here. Why do I have this Two of Wands? What's bothering this person? Please give me a message. What's bothering my Aquarius? Eight of Swords. Some of you, I feel that you are in a relationship, but you're not happy. It's like you feel trapped with this person. Okay, some of you, I think you feel that you are trapped in a situation, or this is somebody who puts a lot of restrictions on you. Okay, maybe you're not used to living with somebody who puts so many restrictions on you. Okay, so you feel binded, you feel closed with this. It's like you want to do many things, but you can't do because you are with this person. Okay, so Two of Wands, Eight of Swords certainly says that you know that, and you know, this is also an energy, Aquarius, where you can, if you make a decision, you can break free from this energy, but you're choosing not to. I don't know why. It's like you can choose to break free from this connection or this relationship, but you're not. I don't know why. So let's see what's happening. Why are you in this Eight of Swords energy again? Knight of Wands. Yeah, some of you, I feel that you are in this place where you feel, see, I see a lot of passion with whoever you are right now, Aquarius. There is this lot of passion between you and your person. Okay, but the problem is you feel maybe this person is just flirting with me, or they are not very serious with me. Okay, so that's also an energy, like you're not very sure, you're going with the flow. Could be casual. Some of you could be with this person, but then you take this relationship as very casual, you're not very sure. Okay, I see you in a place where at times you know what, Knight of Wands certainly tells me that this is inconsistency. Okay, this is like you are with this person maybe for a week or so, things are very smooth, but the next week all of a sudden you both land up fighting, or you get confused, you doubt your own choices, whether is this the right person, am I with the right person. Okay, that's the energy. But Eight of Swords is really bad. I'm going to clarify this further. I don't know what is your person doing to you, but this is not a right energy. Some of you feel that this person could be you feel that your partner is a player. Okay, they could be playing with you, they are not very serious with you, which is why you feel confused. You feel, is this person using me, or they have some motives, like are they with me for time pass, or are they really serious with me. Okay, so this has left you in this position of Eight of Swords, like you don't know whether is this the right person for you for life, or is this just a temporary connection. Okay, now that's one thing. Now let's see what is your person thinking towards you. What are the energies for you, Aquarius? Yeah, so the first card that I have is Four of Wands reverse, Seven of Wands reverse. Yeah, I think this is a mutual energy, Aquarius. Okay, it's like you and you, as I said, this is maybe you feel that your person could be breadcrumbing you. Okay, this person is breadcrumbing you. It is like they come to you when they need you. Okay, and they don't want to lose you to somebody else either, and they don't want to give their 100% to you. It's like this person is they are not consistent, okay, in and out. It's like they come to you when they need you, and then they ghost you for a week or 4 days, or they talk less, or they go in their own shell, or they maybe, some of you, I think this person may have blocked you in the past. Okay, this person could have blocked you in the past, and maybe turned down, maybe you had made some plans with each other, maybe you were planning a trip together, things you, I think you really enjoyed a lot with this person in the past. Okay, I see you both had some good moments in the past. It's like you went out, you could have traveled with this person, you could have gone for movies. I do see that you really had some good time with this person in the past, but that's over. It's like all of a sudden things have got stuck, things are not moving forward. And sometimes I feel that this is the energy where this person may have blocked you. Okay, I don't know why is this, let me clarify, but yeah, this person is somebody who may have blocked you. Why do I have the Seven of Wands? I don't know. As I said, this person could be breadcrumbing you. You feel that this person comes to you when they need you, and then they just go absconding. Okay, and this has kept you wondering that now you are in a position or in a place where you really feel, is this person even worth my time and effort? Okay, so you don't want to invest on a player, you don't want to invest, you don't want to invite a player in your life. You want somebody who shows up with true love, or who shows up uh, with true feelings. Okay, I see you in a place where you don't want to get stuck with a player. I mean, you fear being in a relationship with a player. You want somebody strong, Aquarius. Okay, give me a second, let me clarify this, your person's emotions towards you. Yeah, so I have Three of Wands and Seven of Pentacles. This person may have disconnected from you in the past. This is somebody who's breadcrumbing you. They are not leaving you completely, but then they are not with you completely. So in and out, they don't want, it's like they feel that they can do anything with you, but you can't do anything. It's like they can date anybody else, they can explore any other relationship, but you can't explore. I don't know who are you dealing with. I don't see a narcissist though. I don't see a narcissist, but this is somebody who is still waiting for you. This is somebody who still wants to work in this connection. This is somebody who's manifesting you. Maybe things have gone sour a bit. I'm not seeing a major dispute or conflict between both of you, but whatever has happened, this is somebody who wants to work in this connection with you. They don't want to lose you, Aquarius. Okay, so whoever you are dealing with, yes, this person may have distanced themselves from you in the past, and I see you too trying to maintain that. You don't want to give yourself to a person who is just not there, or who is a player. Okay, so you're very hesitant, like should you move forward with this person or not. So whatever it is, things are moving forward in the right direction. You know what, very soon you're going to hear from this person. This person is manifesting you. This is somebody who is already putting efforts. Like, I don't know, for some of you, this person wants an equal partnership. Like, they feel with the Seven of Pentacles, they want equal partnership. It's like they feel they're doing so much. What are you doing for them? Okay, so they feel that they have done, now this is their emotion, they feel that they've invested so much, but what have you done for them? Now I don't know who has done what, but they feel they have done a lot. Okay, now whether they have done a lot or not, I don't know. Let me clarify. High Priestess, Page of Pentacles, and Five of Wands. Yeah, some of you, I think you're dealing with somebody uh, who is listening to other people around them. This is somebody who gets influenced by other people, okay? This is somebody who could be listening to their family, listening to some people that they are talking to on daily basis. Okay, so somebody is giving them some wrong information about you, Aquarius, okay? So your person is somebody who is very immature with the page, like page. This is an immature energy. Okay, maybe they could be 60, 70, but then they are immature in their head about you. So this is somebody who does trust people easily. With the Five of Wands, I see this is somebody is manipulating this person against you now. Could be, just a sec, this is the High Priestess in reverse. Yeah, this is somebody who is not listening to their heart. This is somebody who is listening to people around them and then making a decision about you, which is why this conflict between both of you. Now this person could be, they could be influenced. Who is influencing this person? Let me see. Okay, let's see who is influencing this person. I have the Chariot here in reverse. A male figure. This is a male figure. So some man. Now this could be their father, brother. Somebody is influencing this person against you. Yeah. This is a male figure. Somebody is influencing your person against you, and which is why this person has been in and out in this connection. Like they have love for you, I'm not denying it. This person has immense love for you, but then they want equal partnership. This is somebody, if they are giving 50%, they want 50% back from you. They are not going to go extra mile to do things to please you because somebody else is manipulating them. You know, this is somebody who is very immature. They believe whatever other people say. Okay, so which is why these problems. So they don't know that they are losing a good soul. Okay, and at times this person feels that you know, this is a mutual energy. Okay, I'm getting this message here. This energy is very mutual. They feel that you are playing with them, you feel they are playing with you. Okay, so I see a lot of misunderstandings, and this is because you both have to talk it out. Lot of misunderstandings in this connection. As far as love is concerned, I do see love, but you know what, Aquarius, to be honest, your person has love for you, but I don't know whether you are sure about this person or not. Okay, with the Two of Wands, I feel that you are confused. Like at times you have doubts whether is this the one for me or not. Okay, maybe because you are tired of their inconsistency in this connection, and which is why at times you feel like walking away from this connection. Okay, so that is something that I see. Now let's see what's coming next for my Aquarius in this connection. What's coming next for you? Yeah, this is coming again and again. Some of you are being asked to listen to your heart, follow your intuition. Okay, it is like your heart is guiding you, but then you are not listening. See, you are in this place, you are missing this person, but at the same time you are not willing to take action. Some of you, I feel that you are in this place where you're thinking about this person, like could be 24 hours a day. Okay, you're missing them so much, but then you're not doing anything. It's like I don't see action. Okay, I don't see you taking any action towards it. It's like you are all in your head about them. They are all in their head about you. You both are in the same energies. I mean, I can't blame either you, nor can I blame them. You both have love, but you know, I feel that you both are not talking to each other. Okay, that's very clear in this reading. Like you have to talk. Maybe you meet each other, but then you don't express yourself. You know what, Aquarius, if you don't express your feeling, how will the other person know what you feel for them? You have to express. If you don't express, you will lose a good connection. Okay, so you both have to sit and talk, and whatever, be it on phone, be it personal, I don't know, different for if you are in a long distance connection, talk it out. You know, you can video chat, you can talk to each other on phone, whatever it is. I mean, this connection is going through this issue or whatever because of misunderstandings. I don't, they have love for you, they feel that they have done so much, how can they leave you midway, because they have invested a lot. Okay, you on the other hand, you too have done a lot, otherwise you would not have been in this position of Eight of Swords. But I see you not listening to your heart. Like, so at times your heart is guiding you, take action, talk, but then you are not willing to take even a single step towards this person. Okay, it's like even if you are doing it, you are not doing it as much as you should. Okay, so this is I don't know, some of you, I feel that you don't you have some other person too who is trying to get close to you, but then you're not interested. Like, you feel that either you're not happy with them. Okay, so there's somebody else around you who is trying to woo you, but you are ignoring the other person. Okay, maybe there is somebody who's offering you love, but you are like, no, you're rejecting somebody. Okay, that's very strong here, because I have that here also, I have this here also. So some of you, you're rejecting somebody for sure. Like, okay, there's somebody else who is trying to get close to you, but you're not paying attention to them because of this person. Okay, so that is one thing. So let's see what's the outcome in this connection. Yeah, oh my god, so beautiful. Be ready. See, if this person has not yet called you or messaged you, be ready. I think your relationship is going to get stronger with time. Okay, some of you, 8 months is very prominent. It may take 8 months for this relationship to get stronger. So yeah, your relationship, this bond is going to get stronger with time. You both are going to reconnect. Okay, I see this energy. Six of Cups. Some of you, I see a past person coming back in your life. Okay, somebody from your past is going to return. This person is going to come back. Somebody, an ex returning back in your life. Okay, this could be ex-friend, ex-person, ex-relation, I don't know. Somebody from your past is also coming back in your life. So you're going to have two choices again, even after a month or two. Especially this month, I feel an ex is going to approach you this month, Aquarius. Forget about the next 8 months. Yeah, for this connection, I think things are going to get stronger, but it is going to take time. Could be 6 to 8 months, but 6 to 8 weeks for some of you. But this month, I see an ex coming back in your life. Okay, so you may have options, like yeah, I see you having options too very soon, especially if you're single. Okay, if you're single, I do see somebody coming back from your past. This could be an Aries, Leo, Saggy, this could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces who is coming back in your life, Aquarius. Okay, so let's see what messages do we have for my singles. Let's see what's happening with my singles. Singles, I think you're very happy. This is your me time, friends time. You're enjoying going out with friends. You're not really bothered. It's like you and your friends are enough. Okay, you don't need anybody else. So I think you are in this place, 3 of Cups, where you're enjoying, you're celebrating life, and which is a good energy. You're not mourning over somebody who may have left you or you broke up with, I don't know. So whatever has been your past, I think you are completely done. You have forgotten your past, you're moving forward. This is a new you, new life. You're very hopeful about future. You're dreaming big, you're dreaming. Some of you could be focusing on work, others of you, you're hoping to get that right person one or the other day. And I see you in a place, I'm so happy, you know what, singles? This energy is very strong, like you're enjoying life. I mean, you just don't care. Hell with your past, hell with the future. I don't care about any. What I care is my present, and your present looks very beautiful. You are enjoying. You don't care about anybody. Who comes when, you just don't care. You are okay. Even if you have to wait even for the next 5 years, you are okay. Okay, this is the present. Of course, I'm not saying literally 5 years. I mean, you don't have to wait. I'm sure you won't wait for 5 years, because you are going to have options within 8 months. But then you are in this place where you just don't care. Okay, your priority is you, your friends, your career, and you're happy. So this is a very good energy. So let's see what's coming next for my singles. This is Aquarius. Who is coming towards my Aquarius? Let's see. An ex is coming back in your life for sure. Wow, Aquarius. Oh God, this is no joke. Look at this 10 of cups. Some of you, you're going to get a marriage proposal in 10 months maybe. Could be a year, 10 months, 1 year. Maybe you are going to land up being married to this person, okay? So yeah, some of you, I think you're going to get married. This is a very strong energy. It's like from being single, you will land yourself in a marriage. It's like things are going to just happen within. I see a miracle. See, if you see, you are hoping for a miracle and your wish is being granted. It's like you're single and things are going to change overnight for you. Singles, be ready, Aquarius. I don't know for who is this message, but this message is so strong. Some of you, you're going to get married and it's going to happen so fast that you will have no time to think. Nothing means nothing. This is just going to happen, okay? This is like universe planning something big for you, and this is a beautiful energy. I don't know for who is this message. It's like from here to this, it's like you will be in a marriage, okay? In maybe, I'm not saying immediately, but 10 months is prominent. 10 months could be a year, but everything is going to happen. It's going to be spontaneous, okay? You may not have expected this. I mean, I see a wish coming true all of a sudden. I don't know what is this, but this is something. I mean, even while talking to you, I'm getting this message, a miracle, like your wish is going to be granted. You are not expecting this coming towards you, singles, but this is universe doing things behind the scenes for you. You may not see anything today, but one fine day, God is going to do a miracle for you. Wait for. Maybe some of you have been waiting for this miracle since a year or 2 or 3, I don't know, could be 4, 5 years. I don't know, some miracle. So expect a miracle in your life this year. Aquarius, some of you this month, forget about a year, this month, a miracle happening for you, okay? So it is like a wish coming true. How do I say it? It's like one day and everything changes for good, okay? I see a good thing. I see your life turning 360 degrees. It's like you are here, but you will be there and you'll be like, what just happened? Okay, I see your wish coming true. Aquarius, this is so divine. This message is coming right from my heart. I don't know for who is this, but this is for somebody out there. This is so strong, okay? That is one thing. Now let's see. 3 of Wands, yeah, okay, now I understood why is this here. See, some of you have been waiting since a long time, could be 3 years, okay? You've been waiting since 3 years, 4 years, I don't know, and you felt that nothing is happening, like I have done so much, but I didn't deserve this. Some of you have been in a place where you have been hurt, you have been broken in the past, okay, and you just felt that nothing worked as per what you wanted. You wanted true love, you wanted loyalty, you wanted the right person, and whoever you met just broke you and left, okay, or they left you shattered, okay, they left you midway, and you were like, I never expected, which is why, oh God, now I can connect this. Okay, now I connect this. Oh shit, Aquarius, when I started this reading, didn't I tell you, some of you, you're complaining to God, and I didn't have the clarity then. Why are you complaining? Now I understood. Some of you, maybe you're single, you're 35, 40, 45 and you're still single, and you are like, God, what are you doing? You're doing everything for others, but you are doing nothing for me. So I see you in a place where you're complaining to God, like, when will I get married? When will I find Mr. Right? And you know what? This is that. It's like your patience. I mean, maybe you were put to test, Aquarius. I don't know. Some of you, I'm not saying all of you, but maybe some of you were put to test, or maybe it was destined for you to get married at a later stage. But whatever it is, this is a beautiful, it's like things are going to turn for you overnight. 360-degree change. You are going to experience a beautiful life. 10 of Cups, lot of love. So maybe you're waiting for that one right person, that true love, and that person is going to come in your life, and it's going to happen overnight. Things are just going to change. Just trust me. I don't know why am I saying this, but when I'm saying, my heart is all here in this reading. I don't know. I'm just saying it from my heart. I don't know. I'm getting goosebumps while even talking to you, Aquarius. But this message is so prominent. It's like you wished for something and that's going to come true. So just be happy. Some of you have been in pain, maybe since last 8 years, 6 years, 7 years, I don't know, since a long time, and you just felt that why is this happening to you? Okay, you didn't deserve this, you didn't deserve, you have done so much, you have been on the right path always, but why is God giving you all the troubles? But I see an end to all those pain. I see a new life, a new you, and this is unusual. I don't know what I'm reading today. This is so divine. I'm getting this reading after 3-4 months. I have never got this reading in the past 3-4 months. I don't know what I'm feeling today. I can't express to you, but this is so divine. I don't know for who. Aquarius, be ready. Your life is going to change. You're going to be very happy very soon. This may take, of course, for some of you, this miracle is going to happen this month. For the others of you, could be 3 months or 10 months. Okay, so whatever, your life is going to change. You'll land up being married to this person, or you're going to land up being in a strong commitment. If you're too young, okay, fine, no problem, you may marry after 2 years, 5 years, that's your choice, but you'll find that right person this year, Aquarius. Okay, you'll find that right one person for you. Okay, so yeah, you deserve this and you're getting this, Aquarius. This is so beautiful. I mean, I know I've been doing your reading since last 1 year, Aquarius, but I now can connect. I've done some readings in the past, maybe 1 year back, and I always saw you in pain. I mean, the readings, I mean, whatever I was reading was sad, sad, sad. I mean, you were going through a lot. I don't know. But now, today, when I look back, now I can connect the dots. You have been there. You have been in hell, you know, that bad phase, and God is bringing you out of that. This, for most of you this month, for the others of you this year. So things are going to change. It's like, see, didn't I just say you're complaining to God, and see, God is granting you your wish, like your wishes are going to get fulfilled so soon. So just be happy, okay? Your life is going to change. You're going to be in a very happy place. Some of you are going to get married this year only, and this is going to happen overnight. It's like one fine day that person comes, he sweeps you off your feet, he or she, and you are done. You are in a committed relationship. You'll see yourself married to that person within few months. You know, that miracle. Okay, now let's see if I have any messages for your Aquarius from this deck. This is a very beautiful reading. I don't get this reading every day. I don't know, this is so divine. I don't know, even while talking to you, I'm getting these goosebumps. I don't know for who is this, but then very divine. Okay, yeah, now I understood. Some of you have had a breakup in the past. Okay, and I know because I've been doing readings for you, Aquarius. Okay, things like as per planets, most of you have been through a very bad phase in the past. Okay, now be ready to get over that bad phase. Be ready, things are just going to move forward in the right direction, and you're going to be very happy, very, very happy. Now I know some of you, okay, as far as this person is concerned, let me see what is this person thinking about you. I can't face you right now, putting a lot of efforts. Okay, some of you, your person wants to, they are already putting a lot of efforts, okay, in this connection with you. Some of you may see that this person is calling you, messaging you, they are trying to connect with you through whichever way they would want to come and see you, whatever, blah, blah, blah. But for the others of you, this is somebody who has done something wrong. They are guilty, they can't face you. They feel that, how do I go back to my Aquarius? I've done so wrong. You know, I've done, maybe they have cheated on you, maybe they have done, I don't know, they can't face you. Okay, how will they come and see you? They can't face you, Aquarius. Okay, so this is their feeling. They can't face you. They are in a place where they feel guilty of, I don't know, what have they done. But then for some of you, maybe this person has cheated you, or not intentionally. Okay, they may have explored some other connection, leaving you behind, because I see an energy where they just stopped talking to you. Some of you, this person may have disconnected. So this person is feeling guilty. They don't know how to face you now. Okay, they feel guilty, but then yes, they want you. They can't let you go. So yeah, some of you, I feel that you've had a breakup in the past for sure, which is why I have this, you know, you've had not just one, like as I said, you were broken. And I know, because I remember I've done Aquarius reading, and this is the only sign who has been through hell in the last 2 years. For most of you, I'm not saying all of you, but whenever I used to read for Aquarians, they have had a difficult 2-3 years, okay? And I know that why I'm getting these answers today. It's like whatever you have gone through, you will be rewarded, okay, for whatever you have been through. Rewarded with a new person, rewarded with true love, rewarded with stability, monetary benefits, miracles. Just wait for this miracle. For most of you, this is in your love life, okay? Love life, like you're going to land up being married, you're going to find that one right person you have been waiting for, okay, Aquarius? This is for my feminines out there, even for the masculine energy. But yeah, so the other two messages are, oh my god, look at this, your person, these are their emotions. I'm terrified that you're moving on from me. This person feels that you're moving on, okay? They don't want, didn't I say, oh my god, didn't I say sometime back that this person doesn't, see, they are somebody who was not putting efforts in this connection. They could be breadcrumbing you, but then they don't want to lose you to somebody else. This is somebody who is so selfish that they were thinking only about themselves. Like they can be in some other relationship, but they don't want you to move on. So this person is terrified thinking about you moving on. This is such a strong energy. Oh my god, I just said this person fears losing your, Aquarius, okay? Whoever you are, painful soul. So for some of you, this is a message. Your person has, you know what, I don't know, some of you, you're dealing with somebody who is already in a painful energy, okay? This person is a painful soul. I don't know who are you dealing with, Aquarius. I'm not saying all of you, but your person is somebody who has been equally broken. They too are a painful soul. Maybe, as I said, see, you have been through a lot in your life, okay? Things are changing for you, but this person too has been through a lot in their life. I'm not saying that this is a wrong person. Yeah, they may be selfish at times, but I don't see a bad soul. This is somebody who may have had a bad childhood. This is somebody who may have had a bad, they may have met people who were not true, not loyal, not transparent in their life, okay? So maybe when they met you, they could not trust you. They just felt you are one of them. Now they realize your value. They just feel that you are unique, you're different, you are one of a kind, okay? So this person may have done mistakes, but then they are guilty. They can't face you. For some of you, if this person is not showing up because they feel guilty of cheating or hurting or just ghosting you, or not treating you right, and they too, I don't know, some of you, you're literally you are with some person who is a painful soul. So they don't know how to be in a relationship. It's like they don't know how to give love. Maybe somebody just didn't teach them how to give love. So they themselves are a painful soul. So how can you expect them to give you love? Okay, so some of you, you literally are with somebody who needs a lot of love and attention. It's like they have met wrong people in life. They have never got true love in life. Could be maybe they never had they never had a mother who loved them or a father who loved, I don't know, okay, bad childhood, or they may have met bad friends, bad relatives, I don't know. So this is somebody who has been through a lot already. So maybe when you met, or maybe this person is not emotionally ready to give their 100%. But one thing is for sure, this person doesn't want to lose you. They are ready to put efforts, okay? Some of you, this person is already doing. For the others of you, this person is feeling guilty. They may take time, because I did see 8 weeks, 8 months. So they may take some time to come towards you, or to start things fresh. But yeah, they can't face you. I mean, this is very strong, okay? For the others of you, yeah, I feel that it's you who, see, with this Two of Wands, this is clearly telling me, some of you, you feel that this person is not worth my time and effort. It's like you're with them but not very sure, okay? It's like you're confused whether should I move forward with this person. I don't know, some of you, I feel that with the Eight of Swords and Knight of, I don't know, I'm getting one energy here which is very strong, okay? That energy is, some of you, I feel that you will, okay, just let me clarify. I won't say it before I clarify. Let me see. your next action towards this person, your next action towards Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, some of you, I feel that you're going to drop this person and choose somebody else. I don't know why. I was getting this message intuitively already that you are confused, because maybe this person did not show you the love or didn't treat you right, and now you're done. Like at one point in time you had love for this person but not anymore. So you have come to a point where you don't I mean, I don't know, some of you feel that you're ready to drop this person. I mean, you are done with them. It's like this person is going to put efforts now, but then there's no point because you're already done. Your emotions have died. You don't want them anymore. It's that kind of, I was sensing this, but I could not tell because I had not clarified. But now I'm sure some of you, you're ready to drop this person. It's like you don't care who this person is. This person could be very rich, this person could be very good looking, you just don't care. Your emotions have died and you don't want them anymore in your life, and that's so strong, Aquarius. It's like you're ready to drop them, okay? And you are almost, see, this woman here, she's already thinking of dropping this person because of this player. Maybe this person, when they came with that player energy, okay, and you don't want any more players in your life. So maybe you're ready to drop this person. Okay, so even if this person comes to you, now the ball is in your court, Aquarius. Will you accept them? Some of you, I see, now I can connect. Some of you, you are ready to leave this person and you will choose this other person. As I said, there is this miracle, one day and everything changes. I see a new person coming. Didn't I say, some of you, there's an ex who's coming back in your life. For some of you, you already have option with this Four of Cups. So you will end up choosing somebody else over this person, okay? So that is, now as I said, the ball is going to be in your court, who you choose. Like universe is going to give you choices. Now who treats you the best, you are going to go with that person. I for sure see that you are not going to settle for anything less, Aquarius. You are in this place where you don't want any player in your life, for sure. See, you see this person as player. You don't want a player, for sure, okay? So yeah, so that was that, Aquarius. I'm so happy after a year or so I'm getting this good reading. I mean, and be ready for a miracle, okay? Some of you, I said one day and things will change. One person comes in your life, that person will say I love you. You will, this could be love at first sight for some of you, okay? And you'll end up being in a marriage with this person, you'll end up being in a committed relationship with this person, okay? So yeah, this is a good reading, Aquarius, okay? So that was that. Thank you so much, guys. If this helps and resonates, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. You guys take care, be safe, bye.